All right, guys, watch out for the headbutt, low blow, and back of the head. You both know the rules. Fight fair, fight clean. Touch glory if you want. Back your corner.
Final instructions from Olivier Coste from inside the Axiata Arena in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It's 1-1-62. Zhang versus DiBella. First fight on our lead card. Wilhelm, who arrived in one last year with an undefeated record, still has a 100% submission rate. His last 4 sub-victories came via first round rear naked choke. The judo black belt in the black and white believes Ruslan will try to take him down. Says, I plan to scrap with the Kyrgyzstani. Good opening hook off the lead hand there from Ulu.
Long guard utilized by Ruslan, looking to counter off of Ben Wilhelm's aggression. I'd like to see Ben Wilhelm really start putting together combinations, utilize the leg kicks, put those things together with the hands. Nice jab landed by Ruslan.
Wilhelm on the front foot here. Chin tuck, looking through the guard. Snappy jab from Wilhelm, little knee on the inside from both men there. They tango up center of the circle, takedown, nicely done there from Wilhelm.
There's that judo utilized by Wilhelm, but he gives up his back in the process. Ruslan jumps on the back, gets both hooks in, and now he's looking to kind of flatten out Ben Wilhelm. Ben Wilhelm's gonna stand up here, showcasing some of that power, but putting both hands on the mat like that is allowing Ruslan to get underneath the neck. Ben Wilhelm needs to defend that choking arm. You can see Ruslan's going underneath the armpit, trying to trap Ben Wilhelm's right hand, and a little bit of ground and pound utilized by Ruslan Emilbek Ulu.
Emilbek Ulu looking to create an opening to sink that submission here in the first round. He does have 13 wins via submission in his career. Wilhelm defending. After having gotten the takedown judo style in the early get-go, Ben Wilhelm.
He was going after head and arm, but he gave up his back in the process. There it is again. The power of Ben Wilhelm is on display as he tosses Ruslan over his back.
On the feet, nice knee to the midsection there off the right leg from Emilbek Ulu.
This is where Ben Wilhelm is dangerous inside this clinch position. He can take you right over his hips. You can see he's kind of going for a headlock position, trying to trap that arm, might be trying to step across. But Emilbek Ulu presses him up against the wall here, so he's not able to utilize that. Nice little shoulder shrug there to take the back again.
Second time riding the back of Wilhelm for Emilbek Ulu. Drives in the right hands as a Kyrgyzstani. Gonna spill up the top again, no, back to the feet. Another wrenching takedown attempt, but Wilhelm defends it.
Good mat returns right there from Ruslan Emilbek Ulu. He's got that body lock. He's gonna try to sneak those hooks in again. There's one. He might try for the second one. Doesn't quite need the second one. He can do a lot of damage from this turtle position here on Ben Wilhelm. Ben Wilhelm needs to try to separate those hands, work his way back up to his feet and spin.
Certainly no slow process to open up this contest. Both men, plenty of action inside the opening 3 minutes. Still has the back here, does Emilbek Ulu of Ben Wilhelm. Wilhelm looking for his first win inside the circle. Back to his feet, the American.
Good job working his way back up. You can see he's putting his hands on the mat to try to stabilize. And Emilbek Ulu is trying to knee the body. He can knee the head of a grounded opponent. Perfectly legal in one championship.
Watch that knee coming up.
You can hear the corner of Ben Wilhelm just says exactly what I just said. Nice little shoulder shrug there to keep his balance from Ben Wilhelm. Nice little short strikes. I like him doing damage from this position. Yeah, Ben Wilhelm needs to separate those hands. He needs to separate those hands, create a little bit of space, and turn. But he can throw from this position. He can step outside that wall and create a little bit of space and throw.
Knees coming in now from Emilbek Ulu.
I like this strategy from Emilbek Ulu to wrestle with Ben Wilhelm, kind of wear on him a little bit. See if you can drain some of the energy out of that power, those power strikes that Ben Wilhelm likes to throw. Oh, picks him up. Good balance showcased by the judo black belt.
Once again, Wilhelm did tell us that he did expect that Ruslan would try to take him down. Wilhelm had been training his boxing in preparation for this one. Hasn't really had a chance, though, to use the punches so far. Just dragged to the canvas there.
I like the way he swept out that leg. And he took the base right out from under Wilhelm as he slides in, gets both hooks in. This is a great way to end the round here.
He is quick dragon. Emil Baculu flattens him out now.
Now he's got to go to work. He's got 25 seconds to do a lot of good damage.
Watch that arm coming across.
At least just send a message to the judges that he's going to pull even farther ahead in the scoring. You can see the frustration on Ben Wilhelm's face. He's got to be a little bit more urgent in his efforts to get back up to his feet.
Tremendous opening 5 minutes for Emil Baculu as he tries to sink the submission in the dying stages of this opening stanza. And he has done it! There must have been 1 or 2 seconds left. And Ruslan Emilbek-Oğlu taps out Ben Wilhelm.
He went for it. He snuck the choke right in. I think he was just going to ride out the round.
Dragon, that has to gut you emotionally to know you've got like 2 seconds left and you couldn't hold on.
Yeah, I'm sure he heard the clapper, but he just wasn't defending the choke. He just almost let Emilbek-Oğlu just slide that arm in there. I think he was just going to try to wait until the end of the round. And this choke just got tighter and tighter, and Ben Wilhelm